You got to try to hit that target, okay?
Ow.
Because we don't want to lose our arrows.
Ow.
You better quit that owl stuff.
But in my fingers are cold.
Oh, yeah. I bet they probably are. All right. Remember how you stand? Yep. Now put your hand through here first. Put your hand through there. No, this one. Remember? And grab on. And then hook on. Hook onto your D-loop.
How?
Remember? Yep. Yep. Okay, now let go. Now, put your finger behind it. Now you gotta aim it, okay? You gotta aim it. Pull it here. Hang on, stand straight up. I'm gonna bring it like this and out, extend your arm out. And then when you're ready, pull the trigger. Hey! Dude, right here. That was a good shot, bro. It was beautiful, baby. Let's do it again. Bring it back. Grab it, bring it back. That was a beautiful shot, Bubba. That's how you do it. Now, I'm not aiming the bow. I'm just helping you hold it back. You're aiming all by yourself. Come here, kid. That was awesome. I'll do it again. Turn your feet. Turn your feet. Okay. Hands in. Grab on. Hook onto your D-loop. You hit it again! You hit it again! Show me your little dance, bro. Show me what kind of dance you got for me. Okay, don't make yourself be off. Make sure this camera's up. That's over. Make sure we get videos that you think crazy. It may be cold, but, you know, we could be inside being lazy. At least we're out here being men. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We could be inside being lazy, but we're outside being men, dude. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
It may be a little cold, but it'll be all right. We're sick too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, grab onto it. Hook onto your D-loop like you're supposed to. Move trigger away. Yep, like that. Good job. Now start here, and you want to spread your arms apart. You got it, you got it, you got it. There you go. All right, that one we missed. You know why? You're gonna put your hand through. Or you turn your feet, actually turn your feet first. Yep, hand through, good job. Now we're gonna place our arrow. We've already checked our field point and we know it's tight. Okay, we got our up, yep. And then we're gonna put this on with the trigger. Here's the trigger facing away, right? Now this time you're gonna start high like this and pull out and down. There you go. Hey, you done? Or you wanna shoot more? You done?